Welcome to the project Programming a God. Today we will be solving the array manipulation problem from HackerRank. Let's look at its problem statement first. This is the problem statement. Please pause the video if you want to read it, or you can just listen to the explanation. The problem states that initially we have an array of length n whose all values are 0. Now we have to perform m operations on the array. In each operation we have a starting index, an ending index and a value. We have to add the value to each element between the starting and the ending index. After performing all the operations we have to find the maximum value in that array. The input format is pretty simple. We have size of array, number of operations to perform, description of each operation. The constraints are large, which means the problem has some surprise to it because we cannot loop through the array for each operation. Let's look at an example. We have an array of length 10. The number of operations to be performed are 3. Initially the array looks like this. If we perform operation 1, then the array becomes like this. We added the value to each element between ending and starting index of the operation. Similarly, after operation 2 the array looks like this. After operation 3 the array looks like this. This is our final array. The maximum value is 10 and that's our answer. Remember that due to the constraints we cannot loop through the array for each operation. So, pause the video and see if you can come up with a better solution. The trick to this problem is that instead of adding the value to all the elements between the starting and the ending index of the operation, we will just add the value to the starting index and the ending +1 index. Let's see what it looks like. Initially it looks like this. After first operation it becomes so. Operation 2 gives us this. Operation 3 gives us this. This is our final array. After completing all operation we loop through the array from start to end while adding the value to a temporary variable. We will keep track of the maximum value of this variable in another variable. At the end the maximum value will be our answer. In this case the answer is 10. This is the algorithm. For every operation, add the value to starting index of array. If ending +1 is less than n, then add the negative value to ending +1 index of the array. After all the operations loop through the array, add the value to temporary variable. Keep track of maximum variable of temporary in answer. The value of answer at the end is our answer. Next we have provided the C++ code for this problem. Please subscribe to support the channel and thank you for tuning in.